No, this is Daegu. Busan is the next stop. I'm bored. This is right, it's too long. Why are you smiling, Grandpa? I am thinking about my first trip to Busan. I took 12 hours from Seoul. 12 hours? Did you
Hours.
No, I took a train. I was very slow. We stopped at every station. Why didn't you take a bus? Buses were even slower. The roads were very bad. Even the president traveled by train. Did you sit next to the president? No, he had his one railroad car. It had beds, a sitting room with a sofa, a kitchen, and a shower. Wow, travel was so comfortable. But for most people, the seats were hard. Many people had to stand. Some people even sat on the roof of the train. Why? People were very poor. People on the roof usually didn't pay. But sitting on the roof was dangerous and dirty. Our train was steam train. People on the roof became black from the smoke. Get your bags, Bin-Ho. This is Busan. Already? But I want to talk to Grandpa.